Okay, you guys, so it's cold and flu season, and I'm gonna make my kids a super nutrition, immune boosting smoothie this morning, and I'm gonna show you how I do this. So I've got my blender full of ice here, and I'm gonna throw in some fresh strawberries. I'm gonna do one whole banana. Okay, this is a smoothie that will make enough for two, so if I was gonna do just one serving, I would half the banana. I'm gonna do one heaping tablespoon of Greek non-fat yogurt. This kind of gives it a creamy consistency. Maybe just a little bit more since it's for two. Okay, I'm gonna do one scoop of berry protein powder. Soon, All In will have their own protein powder, but for right now I use Sun Warrior. Okay, I'm gonna do some healthy fat with some chia seeds. Our kids need good sources of healthy fat for their brain development, their mood, their immune system. So I've got my chia, I've got my MCT oil. So I'll do a squirt of that. Really nutrient dense in this shake. Okay, now comes the All In Pure Collagen. Okay, you guys know that collagen is great for your bones, hair, skin, nails, but this also is flourishing with tons of probiotics. So they're getting all the benefits of the collagen plus the probiotics in here. We need probiotics for our immune system. I'm gonna do a scoop of the Ancient Energy. This gives them their B vitamins for the day. This is like multivitamin in a powder form, basically. Okay, so again, B vitamins great for brain development, energy, mood, focus, immune system, all those things. Then we're gonna add some almond milk. That one's out, so I'm gonna add a little bit more. It's a little bit of flax milk. Doesn't really matter. You can use regular milk too if you want to. We just use the non-dairy typically. And then I'm also gonna add in this new awesome product, Agape Herbals, that we now carry, which is the Protect. This is, as you can see, critical immune support for children and adults. So tons of immunity in this little bottle here. The awesome thing about this product is it has a really good taste from the elderberry, and so it easily blends in to the shake. It's not gonna make it taste bad. Last but not least is liquid vitamin D3 with K2. You guys know this is crucial for immunity. Again, you can add it right into the shake. Doesn't mess up the flavor. And this is just jam-packed with nutrients, as you can see, and lots of immunity. I make this shake for my kids almost every morning. It's really good and really nutritious, obviously. Okay, check that out. Look how good that looks. This takes literally 3 or 4 minutes to make. They can drink it as a smoothie. They can put it in a bowl with some granola and eat it more like an acai bowl. Really good, nutritious breakfast.